Welcome everyone to this video. We are going to discuss the match the following part 17, which came in JEE Advanced 2024, paper 1. So, in this question, we have two keys as you can see in the figure, K1 and K2. Now, first, what we will be doing, we will be closing the key K1. It is given that there is no current in the initial state in the inductor and there is no charge in the initial state in the capacitor. So there is no energy uh, in the system initially. As K1 is closed, we would uh, basically conceptualize that the current would start flowing. But that's the point. When there is an inductor's job is to resist the change in current in the circuit. So at the initial juncture, the current in the circuit is going to be zero. So that is the question number one. Okay, what is the current I1 in the circuit when no current, when time has not changed? That is, at the instant we have uh, closed the key K1, at that time, what is the current in the inductor? 25 millihenry. So at that time, the inductor would act like a straight wire, and the current I1 would be simply 20 by 5. So yeah, this current would have been when it becomes a straight wire. The straight wire is when after a long time. So after a long time, we have current 20 by 5. Initially, the current is going to be 0 only because the current is growing. So when K1 is closed, this is the current. I1 is 0. Then the last option here is what is the value of V naught in volt. This value V naught is represented by when this K1 is closed. So there is some inductor current flowing in the inductor. Now simultaneously this key K2 is closed and this key K1 is opened. So when K1 is opened, um, the contact of the whole circuit with this 20 volt and 5 ohm linear combination loses. So what happens is that whatever energy it is stored in the inductor of the circuit, that is half Li squared, that energy will further go into the energy of the capacitor. So the inductance of the circuit is 25 10 to the power minus 3. Current finally is 4. Capacitance is 10 to the power minus 5. And final voltage is V naught square, which we are looking for, V naught. So this implies 25 into 10 to the power 2 into 4 square is equal to V naught square. V naught is equal to 5 times 2 times 10. So that is, and then we have to multiply somewhere, yeah, divide by into 4. 5 times 4 into 10, so that is 200 volts. Square root of 4 is 4 square is 4. So thank you for joining. We just want to last mark out which option is correct. Their option S matches with 5. The S matches with 5 in A and B. So option A is the correct one because it's saying that I2 current is 4. So option A is correct. So thank you for joining. Have a good day.